In this video, we will be taking you through the installation wizard has failed message when running an update. When running the installation wizard and before starting the actual installation process, the wizard will give you an option to rebuild files, and this option is automatically ticked. Once the installation process has started, it will stop at some point and give you an installation result to say that the wizard has failed. The example provided here is one of many, but the important part to take note of is that it stops on the rebuild process and says that an unspecified Vutil error has been encountered. You can cancel the installation process and perform a manual rebuild. Once you have done the manual rebuild, run the installation wizard again, but this time ensure that you untick the rebuild option, as you have now completed this task prior to running the update. For guidelines on how to perform a manual rebuild, watch our video on how to rebuild files, which is also available in the Sage 200C VIP support and training channel.